Maximus Analysis here for January 10th, 2017. We see we're still in choppy action. Gonna have a level of 2272, which they broke. Again, it got to a high of 2277, but again, it's still just sideways back and forth action. So again, I'm looking to see when they break below this 2256 area, which lines right here with this low, which will put two lows back, and then of course if they get below the 2245, I'll be looking at 2233 area, and that's when the real retracement should start speeding up again. We'll continue to watch. Again, if you look at the daily action, again, I'll keep this simple because I don't want to complicate things with just doing a video for nothing, but it's been very choppy. Again, looking at the weekly time frame, you can also see that again it could continue up, and I'm fine with it going up without me. So again, this was the November elections, came down to our level and broke back up. But again, once we see a break below this level of 2222, that's when we'll see if the fireworks start. Gold continues to look good so far. Again, testing the 2189 and 0.4 level. Again, I would really like a strong close for this and some volume to creep back up today. You had crude, which has had another +2 down day, plus $1 down day, so it's $3 down. And I think there's a lot more to come in regards to this. Again, the test of $50 level will have some repercussions to it, to say the least. Again, it broke below the 5172 level that I wanted it to break, and again 50 is within. Again, for crude, that's nothing. 80 ticks is nothing for crude, but again, you can see a strong close breaking back about 3 lows back. So we'll watch to see what happens with 50, and watch what happens with this trend line we have here that was held very well at this point. So continue to watch, continue to not over-analyze anything, and just watch the price action. But crude is so far breaking down. You have the NQ, and you have the FANG stocks that it's at the target now, fully at the target, and we'll just leave it at that. I wouldn't be getting long anything right here. Again, where do you want to put your stop? Underneath here? You won't. Underneath here? You won't. Definitely won't do that. So just wait. Just wait for the trade to come to you versus you trying to force everything, because it will not work. TLT. Again, bonds looking great, holding these levels that we had here greatly. Again, I had to wait for a break of a high. Maybe you got stopped out here and you re-entered here. That's a part of trading. Again, you won't be perfect. Again, usually I would like to wait for a buy signal above here or previous low, so that I wouldn't be trying to fade this and get completely ran over. But now is a level that, again, it needs to break above, but this is a great pattern for this thing. I think there's more upside, especially with them breaking or potentially breaking this level of 122.04. So we'll continue to watch. Again, YM is just hovering around. I don't really like even covering it, but it's just hovering here, and it's very hard to be bearish. I'm bearish because I think there just needs a pullback. So being bullish and knowing when to put a bullish trade are two different things. So you could be bullish now, but do you put your trade on now? Where's your stop? Is it underneath here? Because it ain't gonna be over underneath here. So same thing with IWM, excuse me. IWM had pretty much the same type of thought process in regards to that. So again, it's in the target, but you can layer above there if you want. I just want a deeper pullback because this is already a month worth of sideways action, and that could be very corny. So we'll continue to watch, see if it's going to hold above this this trend line that we've drawn here, and take it from there. So again, if you have any comments or questions, you could feel free to leave a comment or email me. Take care.